Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Qgis 3.28 and load your target and clipper vector layers. Ensure both layers use the same coordinate reference system and units. If needed, right-click a layer and choose Export then Save Features as. Set the format to Geo package for compact, reliable storage and click OK. Open the processing toolbox and search for the clip tool by name. Select the input layer, then the clip layer, and check the parameters. Run the tool and inspect the result in the map canvas and attribute table. After running clip, examine the output layer for expected geometry and attributes. Open the attribute table to verify counts and field values. If you need a precision buffer, create a buffer of 100 meters first. Then run clip using the buffered layer as the clipper to keep margins. To export the clipped result, right-click and choose Export then Save Features as. Choose Geo package or shapefile, encoding UTF-8, and pick a CRS. Load the saved file to confirm geometry integrity and attribute preservation visually. If clip fails, check for invalid geometries using vector geometry tools. Run check validity and fix geometries with a tolerance of 0.0001 if needed. Large datasets benefit from creating an index or using Spatialite or Geo package storage. Turn off unnecessary layers to improve rendering speed during clipping operations. Use symbology to style the clipped layer and save a layer file for reuse. Document your steps in the project notes and include CRS and buffer values. Practice on a small sample before processing thousands of features for reliable results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.